Hello everyone, welcome to trucksim channel. Today we will talk about how to build map combo, but not the exact map combo, but overall map combos for Euro Truck Simulator 2 and American Truck Simulator, and how to make it. This is a guide for very beginners who doesn't know how to make these big map combinations, how to make it workable, maybe some hints, tricks, and so on. I will explain you where from you can download mods, talk about all the fixes and load order and so on. This guide is probably will be actual for the upcoming version, so today I will not explain on the versions like 1.49, 150, 151, 152 or so, but for every versions that is actual for your time when you watching this video. Be sure that you know your version of the game. It will help you because mods are compatible, in most cases compatible with only actual version of the game. I started this video from the site, from the trucksim.top. It is my Copilot blog for my YouTube channel. Here I'm sharing guides and for sure links for map combos. You can also use another sources for map combos, for mods, for guides and so on, but I will explain you on the example of my personal blog. Okay, let's start from the very beginning, the requirements. First of all, we need ETS2 or ATS purchased on the Steam. Currently the game only available on the Steam. Maybe in the future it will be available from other sources, but currently it's the only one place to purchase the game. Then you have to own map DLCs, which is actual for current time. Why we need all map DLCs? The mods and their developers are always using actual new refreshed assets and materials from the DLCs. If you don't own all DLCs, you will lose this mod. For example, for Euro Truck Simulator, we go to the Steam page of Euro Truck Simulator, go to DLC and check all the maps here. You see, for now it's available Iberia, Road to the Black Sea, Beyond the Baltic Sea, Italia, Viva France, Scandinavia, going east, West Balkans. In the future here will be also Greece, Nordic Horizons, and so on. It is not important on which version you are. The main rule that you have to own all map DLCs for your game. I know this if you just purchase the game, it sounds like it's very expensive to purchase all map DLCs, especially with no discount. So I would recommend you to wait for the discounts. For example, summer discounts or summer sale or Christmas sale to purchase DLC, insufficient DLCs. You don't have for this moment. The same is for American Truck Simulator. In American Truck Simulator we have also list of map DLCs. You see in Nebraska, Idaho, Oklahoma, Wyoming, Washington, Colorado, Oregon, Arizona. It's free. New Mexico, Utah, Texas, Kansas, Montana. So for now it's a lot of DLCs, but in the future, when you see this video, here will be probably Missouri, Arkansas, Iowa, and so on. Now let's go to the step 2. Okay, in step 2 we are planning to collect mods for the map combo. The easiest way to grab all map combos of all map mods is follow some guys who already did this and collected all the links in one place. For example, on the trucksim.top, as example, I will show you how the links are placed here. You see, we see the video for the mega map combo for average arximeter 150 for this exact date. This means that if you are average simulator 150 and close to this date, since as close the date to your actual date, the more actual is the map combo. Here is the link list of the links. You see a lot of links because here the mega map combo we have 39 maps in it, and if you want to build this one particular setup, you need to download all the mods from these links, and this is the external links. This is not the links that you download from this site. For example, most of the mods are on the share mods, on tracking mods, on Mediafire, and so on. But some mods are not distributed as free, just as is, are premium. For example, this one is you need to make a subscription for this mod. In Euro Africa, you need to purchase it, the subscription, to have ability to download it. For example, Raw Extended have two versions, premium or free. So you need to choose. You can download free version or chargeable version. Promotes has options, for example, to download it fast and easy, or slow and challenging. And for easy and fast, you need to pay, and so on. Anyway, you need to download, and it will take time. I know it's consume time, and we cannot make one link for all these files because every file has its own ownership. This is here. Our links are official from the developers. Developers share it. Some of them are collecting money from file hostings, some are provide premium options, and so on. So if you take the link and re-upload it to another source, it will be considered as piracy. It is not good to download pirated map. You cannot be sure that the mod is correct. It has no malicious content in it, and you don't support the developer. So piracy is a bad thing and break all the community, because these mods are making on the enthusiasm of map developers. So, for example, on trucksim.top you will find only sources that provided by developers. The same story for the American Truck Simulator. I have shown you example of Euro Truck Simulator. The same is for American Truck Simulator. You see map combo for American Truck Simulator. The same list, but with the other mods. I marked them from the previous one with this new and update. So if you build your map combo not the first time but the second time, it will be much easier because you don't need to download all the old files. it will stay on you, and you just download only new files, new and updated files. Here are not only maps themselves, but also some fixes and road connections. You see here the road connections for several maps on this link. You see this is the road connections for these maps and so on. So please take care. All the road connections built to combine the maps in one profile. So if you don't have road connections, your all the mods will not be connected. Either you cannot load the game, or you will get a crash. The very important thing of the game map combo is the map background, because a map background is not just picture of the map, but it's the actual very important file, because in most cases is built in the extension of the base map, also the ability to zoom big maps and so on. And in most cases, without map background, your combo will not work at all. And some mods are optional. For example, I'm sharing every time route advisor, mirrors, and so on, full screen map. Some mods are optional. But this doesn't mean that all the mods can be combined together in one profile. What I'm talking about. If you building map combo, please concentrate on the maps. So if you add there some additional mods that can conflict with the maps, you will have problems in the game. For example, not all map mods are compatible with the weather mods, real companies mods, and so on. So please take care that if you add additional mods not mentioned in the map combo guide and in the list, it is on your own risk. And if you wish to add them one by one, check if it is compatible and you have no problem, and then check another one, not the bunch of mods together. You will face with a problem, with the troubles in the game. You will not know what the mod is the issue. Another story with the outdated map mods. In some cases, old map mods are working on the new version because it is not touch the updates of the game, and not touch other mods, updated mods. But it is a bad practice by fact, because game itself, core game of SES ETS2 and as well as ATS is improving, and in every game patch there are a lot of improvements, and it can broke old mods. So if you are a developer, SES inform you about these changes, you can make the compatibility for the mod and release a new version. But if it is a mod which were dropped for years, these changes may be not there. So that's why in most cases the version of the mod is very important. What the next step? On the next step, you have to, when you downloaded all the mods, you have to put them on the mod folder. By default, it's in the Documents, Euro Truck Simulator 2, or Documents American Truck Simulator, and in mod folder and you have to paste all the mods here. Mods have to be on SCS format. You see SCS format, or in some cases in zip format. It's supported, but if the mod have to be unzipped, put it SCS files only. Please also remove all outdated mods from here carefully, but remove them time by time, because this folder making bigger and bigger, it can reflect on the game performance. You see on my side, Euro Truck Simulator 2 mod folder is 101 gigs. But here are not only map mods. Before we start the game, I would recommend you to prepare to the map combo and make some performance improvements of your game. First of all, let's go to the config CFG and modify our game buffer. You see this parameter? You set our buffer page size. By default it's 10, but I would recommend you to set 50 here. Then save the file and your buffer will be bigger. The next improvement is launch options. For launch options, you need to go to Steam, check the game you wish to modify, for example, American Truck Simulator or Euro Truck Simulator, push properties, and here in general you will see launch options. You have to put the string here according to your memory on your system. On my side it's 64 gigs and I'm using setup for 32 gigs. I will share the string on the video description. You can use this one. Here is nointro, unlimitedlog, DirectX version start, 64-bit version site, and so on. This also help to improve your game improvement. After that, you just need to close it. Finally, we can go to the game to start the map combo configuration, building map combo. Here always check the game version, and here you have two options with the profiles. For example, if you have one profile that is clean and you don't want to spoil it, you better to create new profile for the map combo, because a lot of maps there and you can lose your existing progress and so on. So I'm always creating profile for map combo without any other mods that then I mentioned in the map combo. So it is a profile for map configuration. You can also build in your existing profile, but please be careful with the mods. I'm doing the profile for each version of the game. What we are doing here, we put all the files in the mod folder, and here is a mods manager. Mod manager in the game, when you start it for the first time, have to be empty, but I will show you not empty. So you see it's a working map combo files here. What we're gonna do? We're gonna find the this is our mod folder. This is our mods in game. We have to move these files with these arrows to this column, but we cannot just drop everything there and it will work. We need to follow load order, exact load order. because maps are loading, not maps, every mod's loading with a specific order in the game, and if we wish to make the map combo works, we have to follow this order correct, because map developers also place their resources and road connections and so on fixes according to the in most cases to the load order. So if you put these files like mixed, it's don't gonna be work. What is important? Important is always watch the latest map combination, for example in the video or maybe in the text description. I don't know how another way. In my way, I am always sharing the video, always see the latest video for actual game, for actual map combinations with the actual files, and put them one by one, not exiting, but after that we are putting maps, fixes, and on the top always map background and some extra mods. For example, you see on the top we see this optional mods like full screen, route advisor, and so on. It's on the top, upper than maps. Maps are always on the button from the beginning. We start from the maps. After that, we confirm changes, save changes, and go to the game. And if we did everything correctly, our map combo will work. Otherwise, we need to go back to one of the previous steps and do it again, because if you did something wrong on these steps, you need to reproduce all this journey and do the steps correctly. No other options. If you like, for example, smaller map combo and do not need this mega setups, the same rules are applied for them. Map DLCs compatibility, version compatibility, and load order. Even if you combine just two maps, and do the wrong load order, it's not gonna work. I will update this guide if something dramatically will be changed in the game, but I am sure that for some time it will not. Thank you for watching. Please share your opinion in the comments. Goodbye.